Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my page. So today what we're going to work on is a commission artwork that I did for my sister. I painted a kurta for her, a sort of owl painting that you can see on your screen right now. Look at it. So as you have seen the final art piece, so let's get on with the process. Hope you're amused by the video you just saw. If it is so, please like the video, share it as much as you can, and do subscribe to my channel. That's very important. You need to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any other queries regarding my work or painting in general, please drop those queries under the comment section so that I can help you with it. Till the next time, take care of yourself, and I hope you enjoyed my work. Thank you so much.